Today, I'm fish. Yeah, you know what time it is? It's showtime. Yeah, I miss saying that. I miss putting my intros and outros on, but sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll the intro.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
It's showtime. It's showtime. I don't think I like either of those. When you nail it in the car and you're out there with the time and you got your hat and glasses on and your flight test hat, that's the best showtime ever. So how do you guys enjoy the EC8 scooter? It rides like a dream. You got that little suspension in the back, handle some bumps. Did a mighty fine job. The one thing I want to do, put it on the bench and roll the wheels. I want to fully charge it again and see what the maximum range can go on the first mode, the second mode, and the last mode. Yeah, man. I want to definitely see what they can do. What a beautiful shot it is. And what a good time to tell a story. You're a little too old for a story because you'll fall asleep if I started one. But I have what's going to be on the table. I'm not sure when and where I'm going to put it. I got to do an oil change, take care of business. And yeah, I think I am going to do the DJI Osmo Action 4 oil change. Or maybe the Action 3. But the Action 3 can't get a mic. And this way you get a nice sounding oil change. The Oil King is back. So I, factory reset my machine, got everything back on. I even updated my driver, the graphics cards that are. And during the I get I told you, the machine crash. Wasn't a stop. But yeah, just the other day, I get a real short one. I go, oh no, not again. It didn't crash. So that's how the machine crashes. It freezes. It don't just boing, shut off. So yeah, I got to work on, get a new machine. But it ain't going to be Windows. It's just like this Bluetooth and Action 4 when I hit the link button to stop. 10 seconds later, I hear the audio stop. Nothing's ever perfect in this world. Even the start. I'm gonna stop you, but I'm gonna start the video, and when my camera goes up, that'd be the start time. And when it goes down, you can see how fast it starts. Watch when I hit the stop and start button. The start and stop button. 3, 4, all right. I probably got up to 1 on that one. But watch what happens when I do it. And I'm giving a count. You ready? 1. About 1 second allows me to get up there, but when I stop, it gives me almost 4.5, like close to 5 seconds. What's the matter, DJI? I have to get an Action 5 to get a better Bluetooth mic control with you. Oh, wow. A small electric snowblower. I wonder how good that is, if it still works. Probably just throwing you out to update. That is awesome, man. I don't know if I want to keep coming in this entrance now. They should widen up my path, allow me to pass real easy. Wait a second. I can always get off my bike and walk it. It's like every time I come here, I'm like, it's gotta get narrower and narrower. Here I come, walking down the street. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, everywhere we meet. I'm going through. Yes, indeed, I made it. I get the thumbs up, man, from going through. Yes. Are they walking? Can you see? GoPro can get a shot like that. It's an action shot. It's what the Action 4 can do for you. I tried to look for a video. I found it. Took me a while to find it, but I found it. Yes, indeed. And it's a person I wanted to see if they gotten one. And the camera broke, so they got something else instead, but didn't show anything on his channel. And, hey, look at all the junk by my chair. I got a blow-up palm tree by my chair. How sweet is that? Look at the bad boy, man. Somebody just left a palm tree. How sweet is that? So I think I am gonna do my key word over here, the key point in the video, and end it. Put my outro in. Now, the only thing is, if I remember to do it, I have to go get my stuff, put it in, global folder. It's always there. Do a start of a video, what's going to be what I'm going to talk about, and do the intro and say, hey, welcome. And then do that main story and whatever goes in between, and then get the outro in there, and then do something that I'm gonna do for tomorrow, right? Yeah, so it's showtime. It's showtime. All right, so I got a whole bunch of showtimes, and I'm giving a shout out to Ohio Fred. He misses my showtime, and the video is dedicated just to showtime pod to you, Ohio Fred. And anybody else, criticism down below is always welcome. And yeah, that's the way people are, man. They always gotta go, oh, look at this. So I'm gonna pack this bad boy up and get on going, finish my bike ride, put you away for another day, save you for later. I gotta check some notes, meet with the Cup of Joe, and get an oil change going and get it filming. And edit this video, put it up there, and put the oil change and edit that video. So this way, people out there who've never done an oil video can thank me once again for how simple and easy my explanation and talking and showing and telling is. I got cameras on me, so that's why I'm getting on out of here, man. Pointing the camera out, showing who I am. Yes, who's this guy doing a video vlog? Well, time for my outro to come rolling in. Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love. Have a good one. So I got 3 intros. The original and the DIY version. And yeah, all right. What's for tomorrow? Another vlog. A vlog about what? Whatever happened today that I want to share for tomorrow. And on that note, I'm getting on out of here. See ya.